Now we are going to look at how to install WordPress. Okay, good. Now to install WordPress, we have so many we have two easy ways that you can do in order to install WordPress. You can just go straight here. We have the WordPress icon here where you can just click on it to do it, or you can just install from Softaclos. Okay, so right now I'm going to show you how to install the WordPress. As I said, we can use any of them. Let's go with Softaclos. Okay, and over there we have different application. All these are content management system that you can install on your okay, but right now we will go with WordPress. So click here, install WordPress, and now we are here. Over here I will advise you to select the one with HTTPS. Please select the one with S. So any of these two is okay, but the top two here, don't select it. If you want to have this SS certificate, this padlock sign working fine for you, then don't select the one without the X. So go with the one with the X. I always use this one. That's what I'm using. And after that, you see the domain. My domain name is here. Make sure here is empty. If there's something here, delete it. Here you can leave it for now. Later you will put something there. Here the domain admin, I will not advise you to put admin there. Just put your a unique name, your nickname, or your brand name. So I can just enter Ireda, and over here just enter your password. Okay, I will then hide it and generate one. Okay, I will show the password and copy that, and after that I will hide that. Okay, good. Now during we have created an email account, and that email is info. Okay, but automatically the account has added an email which we have not created the email yet. Okay, so we can decide to delete it and put info there. Okay, so that we have info at iridablog.xyz. After that, you can go down and click install. Now let me pull it up, and installation is ongoing. So within some seconds, it will install. Good, successful. Now this is a link to our website. I can just click on it, and now it has opened a new. This is our website. Okay,